Cucumbers are a refreshing addition to our meals, but did you know that combining them with certain foods can lead to digestive issues? For instance, mixing cucumbers with milk or yogurt can cause bloating and discomfort due to conflicting digestion processes. Watermelon and cucumbers might seem hydrating together, but they digest at different speeds, leading to gas and acid reflux. Even tomatoes, often found in salads with cucumbers, can cause bloating when combined. Onions and cucumbers. That's a recipe for stomach pain. And be cautious with citrus fruits, their acidity can irritate your stomach when paired with alkaline cucumbers. Mangoes, spicy foods, and mushrooms also clash with cucumbers, causing gas and indigestion. Fish, sugar, and peanuts can create nutrient imbalances and discomfort. Eggplant and radish together with cucumbers can lead to cramps and toxins in your body. Lastly, avoid carbonated drinks with cucumber-based meals to prevent excessive bloating. Being mindful of these combinations can enhance your digestion and overall health. Like, share and subscribe for more safe tips on healthy eating. Be safe. Thanks for watching.